Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask, and in this video, we're going to compare FacileThings versus LemTask for daily execution. This isn't about which tool has more features, it's about how quickly you can move from thinking to doing every single day. So let's start with FacileThings, because it's one of the most faithful GTD tools available. FacileThings follows the getting things done flow very strictly. You go here to capture items into an inbox. You go then to clarify said item and define the next actions to take. You organize your items or tasks into lists from calendar, next actions, waiting for, and even someday maybe. You then go on to review quite regularly. And then finally, you go to execute. You actually do the task from filtered views. Now, this structure is intentional. FacileThings is designed to make sure that nothing skips clarification. No task exists without context, and decisions are made before execution. For people who like discipline and structure, this is powerful. But it also means daily execution depends quite heavily on proper clarification, consistent reviews, and respecting the system. If any of those break, execution slows down. For daily work, FacileThings ask you to trust the system fully. You don't just open the app and act. You rely on filters, context, and availability rules. This is quite good at reducing chaos, but it does add steps. So the upside is clarity, but the trade-off is speed. FacileThings shines when your goal is control over your workload, but not quick task switching. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, the focus shifts from structure to immediate execution. The core ideas stay the same. It's clear tasks, clear next actions with a daily focus, but the system feels lighter. You can capture and act faster, see today's work instantly, and spend less time managing the actual structure. This actually makes LemTask easier to use when you want momentum, you work in short bursts, or you prefer fewer decision layers. So the real comparison looks like this. In LemTask, faster execution, lower setup overhead, and it's better for quick daily action. FacileThings, it's a strong getting things done discipline. It's got deep structure and it's excellent for long-term clarity. Neither approach is wrong. It comes down to what you value more, structured thinking or execution speed. If you love getting things done and want a system that enforces it, FacileThings does that extremely well. Or if you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.